Hey everyone! Today we're taking a quick look at the incredibly cool Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter Edition. This phone is packed with magic for fans of the wizarding world. Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter Edition is a special smartphone designed for fans of both powerful devices and the magical Harry Potter universe. With premium specs, custom design elements, and advanced performance features, this phone brings a unique mix of style and function. Whether you're a student, a gamer, or a professional on the go, this phone offers something for everyone. The phone sports a unique back design inspired by the Harry Potter universe. This includes a customized beveled design around the camera module with a floating character silhouette and a naked-eye 3D character silhouette at the bottom, created using nanolithography. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter Edition features a large 6.83 inches AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The screen supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, offering bright colors, rich contrast, and sharp details. With a peak brightness of 3200 nits, it stays clear even under direct sunlight. The design includes special Harry Potter-themed graphics and UI elements, making it a collector's item for fans. This smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, an advanced octa-core processor with strong AI and graphics processing capabilities. It comes with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing smooth multitasking and fast app loading times. For better heat management, it features the Liquid Cool 4.0 cooling system, which helps the device stay cool during intense gaming or video sessions. The phone includes a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main Sony IMX882 sensor that has an f1.5 aperture and OIS optical image stabilization for clear, steady shots. It's paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing more in a single frame. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera that delivers sharp and vibrant photos, supports up to 4K at 60 FPS video recording. One of its highlights is the massive 7550 mAh battery, which ensures long hours of use without worry. It also supports 90-watt fast charging, so you can quickly power up and get back to your tasks in no time. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter Edition runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, a smooth and responsive interface that enhances daily productivity. It includes useful features and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. It's a unique device that blends the powerful features of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro with a delightful array of Harry Potter-themed aesthetics and goodies for fans of the wizarding world. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe